You click this video because you want to know where the stock pricing is heading. I feel like there's the technicals and the news that are driving the stock price. This stock is very volatile and most of the people will not have the stomach for it. There is still a very good chance that the stock can go first to 10 and then to new all-time highs. Welcome to a brand new video here on this channel, and because it's Monday, we are talking about stocks. And obviously, one of the most important characteristic that you need to have when investing into space is patience. I mean, this stock is not an easy ride, at least over the last couple of 2 years. Okay, let us have a look into this space stock. I mean, doesn't matter where you invested or when was the time where you invested, because the ride was quite amazing, right? I mean, we started with the IPO sometime. We went to a high without any, big news. I mean, there was some teasing about the space flight and so on, but not really big achievements by the company. And with the health crisis in 2020, we went to the lows of like $13, and then from there we had again ups in May, for example, reaching almost 20, then going back to 15, 16, then going back to 24 with the news of the new CEO, Michael Colglazer, right? So this was quite eventful. Then up and downs before we hit the previous all-time high, which was in the Feb of 2021. This was a period where they wanted to fly Virgin Galactic's, founder, Richard Branson, into space, and then came all the delays. So the stock, dumped from this high 70%, right? And then obviously they did what they said they will do, that they did the adjustments on the ship, and that it took a little bit of while. It will take about, until May. And here we go. From May, we went from $17 back to a new all-time high, which was at 55.91 closing price. Then the big event happened, Richard Branson, and we had a kind of sell the news, okay? Everyone was very happy that it happened, but then they announced a kind of capital increase, and then the stock also moved below the averages, which was also a bearish sign. And then the stock just dumped until now around $15.21 as of Friday closing. Now, what do we learn from that? First, Virgin Galactic is volatile. B, it's very news intensive. 3, technicals matter for this company, for the stock as of this moment. And basically that we are still in a very early process, guys. We are pre-revenue. This is always a pump and dump by many people. And this is 2 things, okay? This is first a huge opportunity for you guys, because this stock could also be easily at $80 right now if there would be more trust into this company, or maybe it would be more established during the couple of years, okay? But as they are just getting started, obviously there's a huge kind of trust that just need to build up for this company. So that's why we're seeing this up and downs. Now, you click this video because you want to know where the stock pricing is heading. You remember when I said the stock price can go to 14, and we did 14. To predict stock prices, which is one of the most asked questions in the comments in my Instagram account. Follow me on Instagram and send me messages if you have any ideas for videos that you want to have covered. Let me know, okay? This is very, very important. This is where I want to educate as more people as possible on Virgin Galactic, because in my personal opinion, Virgin Galactic is a great company, but also how to find those companies, how to work with those companies, what you need to do with those companies, how to observe the companies, all of that, how to find the edge for this investment versus other ones. So this is something that I really want to teach on this, okay? It's not about only be right and follow it. This is never financial advice, okay? This stock is very volatile, and most of the people will not have the stomach for it. But I believe that the knowledge that you can take out of it, you can really adjust and apply to other companies as well and learn from that. Now, there's two things, okay? I feel like there's the technicals and the news that are will driving the stock price. And there is still a very good chance that the stock can go first to 10 and then to new all-time highs. But it could also be that just when the stock dived below $14, I think it was like $13.80, where we saw like a temporary bottom, okay? So both can happen. For the news, it's quite straightforward, okay? We need some news and the stock can go ballistic, okay? We saw this in the summer of 2021 of this year when the FAA news came and the stock went up 40%. But on the other hand, with delays or any bad news, the stock can go even further, right? So news is very, very tricky because you never know when good news are coming or bad news are coming. So that's really a question mark, and we need to take this information then as new information and just live with it, right? On the other side, the technicals are pretty straightforward, and I would like to dive just now with you into the chart of Virgin Galactic to see which kind of trends they are. All right, let's have a look into the Virgin Galactic stock and why I'm thinking 10 or 19 is the next stop. So first of all, you see here that the short float is really unconsiderably, okay? There's no short squeeze as of this moment possible. We went away from the overall situation, which means that it's not that bullish anymore, right? And here's what I'm talking about. This is a support line at 14 that pretty much hold it up, right? I mean, we just went a little bit below it, but other than that, we pretty much, back in beginning of December as well as now, kind of bounce off it, and now it's the big question if it's sustainable, okay? With time, the 50 moving average that is now currently at 19 is something that is very important, guys, okay? Because the stock can move obviously through the support levels, and then the next stop is 10. So this is the big support level after that. However, there's also some resistance, right? We having here the resistance of 17.4, but also here this overall trend line that is the rooftop here over that downtrend here, and along that is flying the 50 moving average. So this is now important to break through. It could be the next stop. It could bounce off that. So this is now a very important triangle that we are in here, okay? Let us put it in green. So you can see here this triangle is really important, guys. This is where the stock, even until, worst case, it can go sideways and stay here until the February, mid of February, okay? Some temporary situation here, but if the overall market will decline, I see it more in this direction than here breaking out. Breaking out here needs something fundamental, needs some news, right? So I'm pretty much excited and will update you obviously on every single day basis. So stay tuned, smash that like button, and let's dive into the conclusion. So if you want to know about more and chat with space investors out there, check out my Discord. There's still 50% off for lifetime Discord access for unbelievable, huge case study on Virgin Galactic, how to, see the advantages of Virgin Galactic compared to other companies. And also there's a huge market video course if you want to know how to read charts, how to know what's important, what to look for in stocks. That's how I found stocks like Tesla that went absolutely ballistic. As you know, this was my very first stock that I promoted, same as I promoted space right now. So let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, this is the things that you need to look forward. Let me know of anything else in the comments, and reach out, please. I love your input always. Make sure to smash the like button, follow me on Instagram, and see you on the other side. Hopefully you join the Discord as well. And thank you and take care.